Welcome back, Queens and Kings. In today's video, I will be giving you guys two Dollar Tree mirror home decor ideas. If you all would like to see how I made this French style tray as well as this mirror candle holder, please continue to watch. Alright, Queens and Kings, so let's go over the materials we'll be using. We'll be using 6 Dollar Tree mirrors, as well as these little gorgeous French style dresser pullers. My X-Acto knife, this foam board that also came from the Dollar Tree Fix All adhesive glue, and I'll also be using my hot glue with my glue gun. So let's go ahead and get started. So now I'm just going to start placing gluing my mirrors down to the foam board. And I'm getting very close to the very edge, so I don't have to do too much of cutting. So therefore, I'm just going to line it up, see where I want to put it at, and then I'm just going to place some glue on the back of it. And as you can see, I did remove the little black tabs off of it. And I'm going to place as much glue on this first one as I would like, because I don't want this coming apart. Now for the other ones, I'm going to use some adhesive glue as well as hot glue. I'm going to place some adhesives on the side where the mirrors meet a touch, as you can see here. And then I'm going to place hot glue on the back of it, and I'm going to do the same for the remaining. Okay, so now that we have all 6 of the mirrors glued down and everything, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut as close as possible to the mirror, so therefore I can try to get a fine cut. But my X-Acto knife is actually kind of dull, so I didn't get as much of a fine cut that I wanted, but I just went back and cut off the extra or anything like that. Okay, Queens and Kings, so for this part here, after I had finished my mirror, I seen how the edges and everything was looking from the styrofoam because of my X-Acto knife. I decided to go get some bling wrap, and I'm going to cut 2 rolls of bling wrap down to the sides, and I'm going to place some glue around the edges as well and place the bling wrap direct on top just to hide it up to give it a clean finish. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now it's time to clean this bad boy up as best as possible. get all the little glue stains, my fingerprints and everything off of it. And right now I'm using some 409, I believe, or some mold cleaner or something that I got from Dollar Tree, and it worked pretty well because they're removing all the fingerprints and the glue screens and stuff like that. But I'm going to eventually touch it again and put more on it, so I will clean it again before I put the handles on. Okay, so basically this is how my tray turned out. I really like how it looks so far. And as you can see, I still got fingerprints and glue and stuff on it, but I will go back and clean out. So here's my handles. I tucked them outside and spray painted them gold because since I put this gold bling wrap around it, so I decided to spray paint them gold. Now on the bottom of my handles here, from once they was up on my dresser, you know, where the holes and everything, you see those 2 notches there, I'm placing a lot of E6000 as well as hot glue to hold this down in place, and then afterwards I will use some clamps or some clothes hanger or something just to apply pressure so it can press down to adhere faster. So that's basically what I'm doing on this side, and I'm going to do the same thing for the opposite side. Okay, Queens and King, one more thing. I'm basically where the notches at, I'm pressing that against the side of the tray, so therefore it gives me extra support, if that makes sense, because I'm not pressing it on the mirror, but just the edges are touching the mirror, not the part where the screws go at. So here it is. Here's my gorgeous tray. I love the way how it looked. This is how I styled it at the moment. This will go probably in my closet or probably on top of my dresser, wherever I desire to put it at. But you can use it for whatever you want to. You can put it on your buffet. You can put it on your coffee table. You can put it wherever you want to put it at. But I think the gold really brought it up to a totally different notch, and it made it look so fancy and elegant. And I love it. What you guys think? Okay, so moving on to DIY number 2. This one here is just some hot glue and some E6000 and some Dollar Tree mirrors. And here I'm using the Dollar Tree picture frame. That's how I get these bevel edges, or the length are these here. I use at least 4 or 5 of them. And I'm going to use some, what else I'm going to use? I think some adhesive glue. I think I did not mention that. But everything you see here is just basically I used on the first one besides the styrofoam and the round mirror. So, now, all I'm going to do here is basically I'm going to take the tabs off. You can see where here I realized that I did take the tabs off, so now I'm taking them off so therefore I can put this, glue this down flatter, to be even flatter on top of the styrofoam. I am talking too fast for myself at this moment. Placing a large amount of hot glue on the back of it, that's all you really need, because when this glue stick to the styrofoam, honey, it is there. It is there. Definitely this type here, because it's the hard foam type. So now I'm starting to get my mirrors and basically try to arrange them how I want them. But I do have only 4 of the corrections, only 6 of the large ones, and I think I have 10 of the smaller size ones. So therefore I'm gonna have to make up some type of design for it can look the same on going all the way around. And so what I decided to do, I'm gonna line up 3 small ones first, and then I'm gonna alternate them out. I'm going to do the same thing across from the ones that I just placed, as you can see here. So I'm putting a small one on this side of the round candle holder and a small one on the opposite side. And I'm going to continue doing that for the first 3, and then I'm going to alternate them out. I'm going to go big, go back small, big, and go back small. And I'm just going to use hot glue as well as the Dollar Tree adhesive and glue these all the way around. So basically this is how it's looking so far, and I'm loving it. I really do love that. I wish I had some more of these picture frames so I could have made another one, but these are very hard to come by. I got these when they first came out to the Dollar Tree, so you could not find them right now because I tried looking for you guys, but I couldn't find it. And as you can see, now I have to do one overlap because it does not fit as perfect as the other one. So I'm just using some hot glue and some correction, fix all adhesive. All right, queens and kings, so here it is, and as you guys can see, I do have a candle in there, and I'm lighting my Bath and Body Works candle. So it is big and wide enough to fit an even larger candle than the size of Bath and Body Works candles, but I totally love the way how it look. I love the look of it, just the alternate look of it, tall, big, and I really did get this idea because I seen a Z Gallery candle, but it was clear, so I decided to do this with these Dollar Tree mirrors or whatever. But I love the way how both of the DIYs came out. You guys let me know if you love it, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe, as you guys can see. But let me know, guys, do you like this? And this would be a great Mother Day gift, so why not make it? Or you can also find these towels also on Amazon, and I will try to look that up for you guys, see can I find some for you all. But I love the way that it looked. You guys let me know down in the comment section. Once again, give me a like, also share the video, because we almost close to 20,000 and we're trying to reach there. But this is how I look without anything on the tray or in the candle holder, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.